Today, English is in demand. Everyone wants to speak in English. Corporate employees, students, housewives, businessmen, everyone wants to speak fluently in English. But the reality is, actually, how many of these people really develop their English? How many of them get results? According to a research, it is found that nearly 94% people do not get any results. Only 3 to 4% people see some change in them. Well, if this is the reality, then what's happening here? What's going wrong here? Well, dear friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you why these people do not get results. What are the two main important reasons behind this? If you are also having the same problem, watch this video very carefully till end, and I will do all the analysis of why most of the people do not get results. Well, friends, on my channel, I speak the truth. I do not do any rhetoric. I do not talk glibly. I talk openly. I talk transparently. I talk the facts. Let us face it. The fact is 95%, 96% people do not get any results. They join the classes, they join all those online, offline classes. They use the apps, they use videos, they are reading grammar and all. Well, actually, do they get results? No, they don't get any results. In countries like India and all the Southeast Asian countries, everyone is chasing English. They want to speak fluently, they want to speak confidently, want to be a good public speaker, good presenter. But if you see the ground reality, nothing is changing. They just go waste money and there is no change in them. Maybe you are one of them, I don't know. Oh yeah, I also have one online training course. But in that course, I train face-to-face live for 3 months. For more information, see the description. So dear friends, what goes wrong? Well, there are two reasons behind it. Friends, I'm training since last 18 years. So now I have the experience and I have the experiential authority to tell you that what goes wrong. And this is true in case of most of the students I have met in my 18 years. The first reason I'll tell you. The first reason is wrong methods. Wrong methods, wrong direction. I will give you one example. Suppose you want to go from Mumbai to Delhi. Suppose. Now you tell me, what is important? Direction is important or speed is important? Of course, direction is important. But suppose you want to go to Delhi, but the direction is wrong and the speed is quite high. What will happen? You will go quickly in the wrong destination, in the wrong direction, towards the wrong destination. Same thing happens with students. What they are doing is, they are going in the wrong direction and they are going nowhere. It's like they are on treadmill. Nothing. They are going nowhere. They are at the same place. They are circling round and round and round for many months and years. They are studying grammar. They have studied grammar in school. Again, they are studying grammar and they somewhere feel like by studying grammar, they will be able to speak. Well, I remember Albert Einstein has said that insanity is doing the same thing again and again, but expecting different results. Same thing, students are doing it. They are trying the same methods again and again. That is learning grammar, learning the grammar rules, by hearting all the tenses, and they're expecting different results, which is not going to happen. If you want different results, you have to change the methods. Same methods will give the same results. If you want to change the results, you have to change the methods. I'm not saying that grammar is useless. Grammar is important in school at the beginning. But if you have already studied grammar in school and colleges, and again if you are studying the grammar, then you are going in the wrong direction. And well, as I said, direction is very important, speed is not important. You can go slowly, you will reach there. But if the direction is wrong, you will go in the wrong direction quickly. Second reason why people do not get results. This is very important. Again, I will tell one story. Listen carefully. This is very important for everyone. This is really the main reason why people don't get results. Imagine, there is a mango seed and a bamboo seed. One day, a farmer sowed the bamboo seed and the mango seed in his farm next to each other. He gave water, fertilizers, and everything necessary for the growth. After 6 months, a small sapling of mango emerged out. The mango sapling said to the bamboo seed, "Hey brother, what's wrong with you? No change in you? There is no even a sprout also. Anything problem with you?" Well, the bamboo seed said, "Hi bro, nothing wrong. Don't worry. I'm taking care of my roots, so no problem." After 2 years, this small mango sapling became a small mid-sized tree which was about to give fruits. Same question mango seed asked to the, or in this case mango tree asked to the bamboo seed, "Bro, what's the problem? Not even a small sapling? What's wrong with you? Talk to the farmer. He's giving you same nutritions, same water, same fertilizers, same sunlight. What he gives me, look at me, I have grown." Same answer was there. He said politely and humbly, "Hey brother, don't worry, I'm growing my roots." 4 years passed. Now, there was a small shoot emerged out of the ground. But on the other side, the mango tree was giving mangoes, sweet, ripe mangoes. Same question. Well, the same answer bamboo tree gave. "Well, I'm growing my roots." It was the 5th year. And after the 5th year, the small shoot of the bamboo in 6 months became a big, giant bamboo. It grew 100 feet in 6 months. Now, the bamboo seed, not seed, the bamboo plant said to the mango tree, "See friend, actually, I was growing my roots because I wanted to grow higher. So if you want to grow higher, first of all, you have to go deeper. I had patience because I want to grow higher." Same thing is there with our students. Those who are learning English, their problem is they do not have the patience of bamboo tree. They are continuously checking their English. They're continuously asking their friends, "Hey, my English has improved?" Well, this is the biggest problem we have. Patience. We are very impatient. We want quick results. Quick results everywhere in our life. Let it be gym, let it be English communication, let it be promotion, let it be money. We want everything quick. And all these companies who design the advertisements, they know this. Therefore, if you see an advertisement, in that advertisement, it is told that you will get quick results. It can be a fairness cream, or it can be an energy drink, or it can be anything like car or any product. What they claim, you will get the quick results. Dear friends, in case of language, it takes many months to few years to develop your language. In my institute, where I train the students, first of all, I tell them that English communication is a journey, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint of 100 meters. So be ready to walk. Be ready to run sometimes walk. In this way, they grow and they continue and they don't quit. Dear friends, if you don't want to join that 95-96% of the crowd, then these 2 qualities you must have. First of all, the right direction. And second, patience. You must have patience. Few days before, I was just, on my Instagram, and I found one advertisement. Very attractive. Do you know what was written there? Be a great public speaker in 5 days. Oh my God. Now this is unbelievable. I mean, this is the limit. How can you be a good public speaker, a great public speaker, in fact, in 5 days, and daily 1 hour of training, Monday to Friday, finish. Fees, 10,000 rupees / 999 only. Well, friends, be logical, open your eyes and see the reality. That's not going to happen. You decide whether you want to be a mango tree or a bamboo tree. It's in your hands. This is my message. By the way, one more thing I want to ask you. Please write in the comments which videos you want to see, which videos I should make. Oh, I'm not going to make a video on bypass surgery, but I'll tell you what I'm specialist in, I'm good in. I am good in psychology, I'm good in English communication. I help students to develop the communication skills, group discussions, interviews, public speaking, and the right mindset. We can call it as positive psychology. No motivation, but positive psychology. Please let me know which videos you want so that I can make those videos. Thanks for watching. Such type of videos, such type of tips are available on my Facebook and Insta page. Please go there and you will find more such tips. Thanks a lot for watching and goodbye. Take care.